Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys for clicking on this video, and welcome to all our new queens and kings. So here I'm just gonna give you guys just an overview of what my tablescape was looking like after Halloween, of me playing around with it, after taking stuff down where it needed to be taken down, and I just done and over with. But I want to give you guys 4 ideas for Thanksgiving, because you know we can't forget about that. So if you all would like to see what I come up with on my new gorgeous table, why don't you guys please continue to watch.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone.
All right, queens and kings, so here is the first look that I came up with. Like I said, my tablescape is basically giving you some Thanksgiving ideas. You may not have none of these items, but it's not hard to actually try to duplicate or anything like that. But for all my tablescapes, the centerpiece is the the conversation piece for me. If my family and I gather around the table, I did every centerpiece just over the top and extra for to be this size table. Like I said, I wanted my centerpiece to be my over the top and beautiful piece. So here I just have a lot of candles scattered. Collage in the middle. I have my turkeys, which are from Z Gallery. The silver placemats are from Z Gallery. I have my DIY little cups as well as stir sticks here. And then the purple chargers as well as napkin is from Favorite Mark. Now the charcoal placemats that's up on the Z Gallery song are from Home Goods or Ross or something like that. And those are Dollar Tree white place. Now my napkin rings are DIYs as well. So in the DIYs that I have in this video, you could check it out on my DIY channel. Now this one right here just was one of my favorite. I think is my favorite out of all 4 that I do. Now this one here, I gave the elongated look of like it's a long dining room table just because of the way how I did the centerpiece. But I went with a different color that you usually wouldn't think that no one would do for Thanksgiving. I wanted to bring a little bit more elegance to it, and I think I pulled that off with just black. This black and silver and this chrome as well as sparkle, it just did it for me. Now the placemat is from Pier 1, which you know Pier 1 is not here anymore. The larger turkey is from Z Gallery as well, and the glitter pumpkins that's on the end of them are from the At Home store. Now the glasses that you all see here are Dollar Tree glasses. I just got every look that they had in the design, and I just think this design is so gorgeous, so elegant, so luxe, and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now here I'm going back with some more candles, and I'm also using more of Z Gallery items. And once again, I have another statement piece. Now this one not as big as over the top, but it does give you a gorgeous statement piece and just give you that luxurious look, which I love. I went back to the purple because purple to me means royalty. It's just queenish. It's just me, baby. It's just me. And I love it. I love it. So I have these pumpkins here that Z Gallery no longer have this style. They have a different style now, and I use that as my centerpiece. Once again, I'm using my gorgeous DIY cups as well as stir sticks here, and I'm using those chargers. So I didn't really do too much of different in besides putting the grates on the plates. Now the grates also from Z Gallery as well, because I know a lot of you guys may ask, and the candle holders are from Pier 1. Now here for the last and final look is just a simple gold, white, and silver grades or whatever, but my centerpiece is a statement piece, like gorgeous. I mean, I love this collage look of all the pumpkins, which these pumpkins came from Ross a couple years back. And I just have a pop of white, which is my white flowers, and some pumpkins as well. So I just did a whole collage of centerpiece as pumpkins. Now my glasses are from Ross, which are Z Gallery as well as Pier 1 dupe. My chargers here, gold chargers that I probably got from Hobby Lobby. The DIY ones is the silver one with the bling in it. Those are something that I made. Once again, check out my DIY channel, which is Valerie Glamorous Castle DIYs, which I will link it down below. The salt and pepper shakers are from Pier 1. Now, like I said, each and every one of the looks gave me an over the top and big statement piece because I wanted to gather everyone around the table and we have something to talk about other than what our day was, how our dinner or anything. And it'd be like Yes, Mom, you did this. I love this centerpiece. Like, I love it. But I'm just saying, just give your guests or your party or your family something else to talk about, and just reminisce and make more memories. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed all four of these looks. If you did get some type of inspiration, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new, just stopping by, queen or king, hey, once again, I am Valerie, and welcome to the castle. So with that being said, queens and kings, you all continue to what? Be royal, and let me know which one was your favorite. Bye bye.